just hit 10,000 miles since I bought the car. So now it has 30,000 miles. Yes, I bought the car used at 20,000 miles, and I've already put 10,000 miles on. Let's see, so I bought it in June. So June, July, August. So 3 months I put 10,000 miles on this car, and this car is an absolute tank. And what better way to celebrate it than to get headers in E85? So that's what we're gonna do. So let's go.
You recording?
Just arrived at the shop. I don't know. I'm not gonna do a whole install video or capture any of the cool install video stuff because there's a million out there, and this video is not really meant for that. I don't really like doing this stuff, so we're just gonna fast forward it till after he gets the headers and tune done, and then yeah, voila, here we go. Warm start, headers. Pretty loud, just headers.
You recording? You recording?
Alrighty guys, so just overall, I think the throttle response is absolutely amazing compared to stock. And yes, it is tuned. It is street tuned by Casey. So shout out to Casey, and then Bo and Bill for doing everything to the car. So it is tuned. It's got the trans tune, all the cool stuff. It is on E85. I don't know what it makes for power, like I said, because it's street tuned. So we are definitely going to have to go in and get a dyno run for sure. I'm going to assume 450, but hey, you never know. No, I did not do a Lund or a Palm Beach dyno. I like to support my local guys, and that's just what I'm going to do. Overall, it is loud when you get on it, I guess. It is raspy. Drivability is phenomenal though. Along with the tuning and everything. When you're not on the throttle, it's actually very quiet. You can have a conversation and everything in here. It wasn't like the CTSV where you couldn't have a conversation at all, and it was just always a bad drone. This is perfectly fine. Keep the stock mufflers on, you guys, because the CTSV was horrible without mufflers, man. My ears are always ringing. So for the next video, we're definitely going to go hit the dyno, see what it makes. I'm hoping for some good numbers. And then we're going to go test out this car in Mexico, you guys, because that's what we're all about. I'm sorry I've been slacking, but we're getting it.